Game of Pure Strategy, also known as GOPS, how to play. The object of this two-player card game is to win the most points. Setup. Sort the deck into 4 suits. Each player gets 1 suit of cards. 1 suit is discarded, and the remaining suit is shuffled and placed face down in the middle of the table, forming the draw deck. Flip the top card of the draw deck face up on the table. Players look at their own cards, but keep them hidden from their opponents. The face-up center card is called the prize. The ace is worth 1 point, 2 through 10 are worth their face value, and jack, queen, and king are worth 11, 12, and 13 points respectively. Each player picks 1 card from their hand and places it face down on the table as a bid for the prize. King is high and ace is low. When both players have placed their bids, they reveal their cards simultaneously, and the player with the highest ranking card wins the prize, placing it beside them. The bid cards are both discarded face down, and a new prize is flipped, and the process repeats. If the bids of both players are tied, then the bid cards are discarded, but the prize remains, and another prize card is flipped to the table. Players then bid again and again until there is a winner. The winner then collects all the face-up prizes. Continue this process until all the players' cards have been played, at which point no more prizes may be gained. Each player adds up all their prizes, and whoever has the highest total wins. Thanks for watching. If you like this, please hit the like button and consider subscribing. Check out playingcarddecks.com for an awesome variety of playing cards, and be sure to use my promo code TSG for 10% off your entire order.